Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas, centerpieces, collections, table flower decorations. You know that without decorations, Christmas festival is so incomplete. So I collect a beautiful idea of my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my YouTube channel for beautiful ideas. So 50 plus unique ideas that recreate and transfer your beautiful house, beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpiece designs for my viewers. Beautiful ideas, beautiful creativity are mentioned in this video. Fresh idea for fresh chairs, so attractive. These designs look so attractive and stylish. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And give more ideas about how to create and how to transfer your house beautiful on the day of festival. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on these days of Merry Christmas. These centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs and decoration are unique and trending. All more modern way to celebrate your beautiful festival 2025. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. I hope you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Their design looks so attractive, so beautiful and so stylish. I hope you like these designs. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing and beautiful design. They are so easy to make. These centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your table decorations.